Emailing a casting director. 7 tips. There are some do's and don'ts when it comes to emailing a casting director. You'll want to be short and sweet, to the point, but also have enough information in your correspondence to ensure your submission is easy to review. Here's a few tips for how to email at casting director. Of course, the first thing you'll need to consider when you're thinking about how to email at casting director is that most receive literally hundreds or even thousands of emails when they post new projects with available roles. If they took the time to read in detail every email they received, they'd never meet their deadlines to fill these roles. So it's important to make sure your email is succinct and includes all of the relative information the CD is looking for, which is provided in the details of the post. Remember, you're not emailing a close friend or family member, and this isn't how to email at casting director. This is a professional, and as such, you'll want to keep the language in your email the same. It's vital that you include each piece that is required for a complete submission, or your email will likely be left unread as the CD moves on to the next. Address the recipient professionally, and include only details about yourself that are relevant and why you're a good fit. Make sure to read the casting, project, and any other details given carefully so you can include specific strengths about yourself and your career that will come in handy for the role. If you have any previous work that is a close fit, include this for consideration. It is also important when considering how to email at casting director to not include so many links that the CD has to spend time downloading and viewing each one. If you can embed a link to your demo reel right into the body of the email, this will make viewing it all that much easier and up your chances of having your work reviewed. You can also embed links to your resume, website, and photos. If you must include attachments, do so minimally and only submit materials that are required. You can include reasons that you'd like to work with the CD, including knowledge and appreciation of their work. However, don't overdo the flattery to the point that it begins to come across as ingenuine. This is a fine line in understanding how to email a casting director properly, and you'll have to tread lightly. It also doesn't hurt to include a line or two about your knowledge of the project you're hoping to get involved in. Never compare yourself to other well-known actors when you're thinking about how to email a casting director. This will only make you look like you feel your skills match the best in the industry, which shows poor judgment. In general, though, try not to overthink it. Take some time to compose your draft, review it once you think you've gotten it down pat, and hit send. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.